In a wind-scarred canyon, a seasoned explorer shows shelter building, water sourcing, and firecraft under a desert sky. The routine: choose driftwood for a lean-to, test water safety, and light a fire with trusted steel. A cold night reveals patience, conserving heat, and choosing gear suited to harsh winds and rough terrain. Across alpine ridges and mangroves, swamps, the advice shifts to adaptability, wildlife respect, and ultralight protection. Each episode invites safe practice, small wins, and resilience born from curiosity and careful preparation.